Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Welcome to India's largest exam preparation platform, Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. मैं हूं सुरेश, faculty of chemistry with you. How are you all? Hi Richa, how are you? Welcome to the session. Hi. So we completed great number of sessions so far. So welcome to NEET STEP UP 2025 program. In this I am taking care of chemistry, and in this NEET STEP UP program we are giving lectures from Infinity Learn, physics, chemistry and biology from noon 12 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. So we are going to give all the lectures according to NEET pedagogy, all the syllabus absolutely for the free of cost. Hi Abu, hi Ravindra Reddy, Luban Khan, hi Wangam, great to see you. Welcome to a new week ahead. So far we completed in the grade 11 general organic chemistry, isomerism and general electron displacement effects, and this week first 3 days 11th standard, second 3 days solution 12th grade. In this 11th grade we just want to introduce you hydrocarbons, and in that alkane, alkene and alkyne we will be discussing. In the next 3 days we will be discussing about solutions and colligative properties, so that we are making a journey in such a way that it is properly planned, and you will be discussing these examinations in complete full-fledged way. And if you follow these lectures without any fail, you will be doing good, and you will be getting a fabulous rank in NEET STEP UP 2025 program. You are all with me? Hi. Alkenes and alkynes and aromatic hydrocarbons. Very good. कब तक हो जाएगा syllabus? I think we planned these lectures in every day 1.5 chemistry. So if we complete this syllabus within this 2024 May, so we'll be having a revision plan as well as test series, many things to come, right beta? That's why we always request my students, be regular in the sessions and always bring these lessons with your friends also. That's why just share and just like and subscribe. We have NEET Telegram channel link also. Please join in that and you will be getting updates in that also. So कब टॉपिक, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट कब होगा, सब इसमें पता चलेगा आप लोग को, है ना बेटा? Are you with me? Right. So what we discussed in Saturday? Somebody just prompt me what we discussed in Saturday बेटा? कब तक हो जाएगा? पूरा हो जाएगा, पूरा के पूरा सिलेबस. Hi Arhan, hello. Are you there on the Saturdays? I'm right. Beta. So somebody give me, Ravindra Reddy, you tell me what we discussed in Saturday's class. I am just looking at the chat box and I'm just giving reply. Solutions chapter we started. In that we discussed concentration terms. Before this 11th standard, today's class of interest is hydrocarbons. Before going for the hydrocarbons, so what are the topics we completed in the 11th standard, you tell me? Electronic effects. In that electronic effects we discussed carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical, inductive effect, mesomeric effect, electromeric effect, and hyperconjugation also, right? So today's session will start hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? You studied in grade 10, na? You studied in grade 10. What are hydrocarbons? जिस मॉलिक्यूल में hydrocarbons means only hydrogen and carbon are included, so they are called a hydrocarbon. You know, I don't want to just take colorful animations in this. Today I just want to go with only writing part. My dear students, this is the first chapter in the type study of the total organic chemistry. So I ask every student to bring a notebook and a pen and sit along with me and write all the reactions that I am going to propose here, right? So I want to say an organic compound consisting of hydrogen and carbon found in the crude oil, natural oil, coal or kahi. Good afternoon, Ishita. Good afternoon. So if I skip the charting, na, Ishita is going to be point out me, sir, you don't care. Na, I always care. I always care. So you're all adorable kids. So these particular sessions that we are providing from Infinity Learn is meant for NEET preparing student for 2025. Those students who completed grade 12 and took a break and a drop and preparing for 2025 NEET examination, ये बच्चे लोग के लिए these lectures are awesome and it is beneficial to you. And also those who are studying a grade 12 completed 11th standard, of course जो भी 11th standard में हाई है इन लोगों को भी, because hydrocarbon is 11th standard syllabus. In this NEET 2025 program, we are working on both 11th standard and a 12th standard. Okay, दोनों बच्चों की, and these two are included in the NEET now. So we want to complete these two parallelly and want to finish from the scratch level. We are doing this program in such a way that you know nothing and from here you are learning on Infinity Learn platform. That's why, my dear students, be regular, do sincere work and just click like button and share this session with your friends. In लोगों का भी अच्छा होगा, and you subscribe so that you will be getting updates on that. ठीक है बेटा? Ishita, fine, you're all with me. So hydrocarbons, those organic molecules which contain only carbon and hydrogen part in it, और कुछ नहीं उसमें. So these hydrocarbons is broadly classified into open chain, and ring structures. If the carbon atoms is one to another is linked and gives chains or branches, they are open chain structures. If the carbon chain is linked, again it is connected to the first carbon, so you are going to see a ring structure. So this open chain structure वाला आपका फिर भी is of two types. One is saturated and unsaturated. Saturated कब होगा? जब कार्बन का 4 bonds only single bonds होता है, that is called saturated. उसमें आएगा आपका alkanes, that is CnH2n plus 2. Everybody know about that, right? Then what about unsaturated? उसमें थोड़ा सा आपका unsaturation means pi bonds are involved, so that they can be a carbon to carbon double bond और carbon to carbon triple bond वाला भी आएगा. अगर डबल बॉन्ड वाला है द अल्कीन एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाला है ना alkyne. Ravinder, what is the general formula of alkene beta? Ishita, what is the general formula of alkyne? Anybody can tell. Alkene, CnH2n, and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. So coming to the ring, ring is ये भी एरोमेटिक रिंग होगा, एलिफैटिक रिंग होगा. In this ring, you may say that, sir, homocyclic ring, heterocyclic ring. If heterocyclic ring, they don't comes under hydrocarbons, no? Got it? Haan. So I just want to give a different classification here, little bit different from your textbook, but it is true. Aliphatic ring means it is only with the carbon, it may be a saturated, partially saturated or partially unsaturated. Aromatic ring means it is aromatic, it is benzene and related compounds. We are going to see these details in the arenes. So I just want to take a benzene, my favorite structure, and here aliphatic, non-benzene structures, you can take cyclohexane, that is C12H cyclohexane, this is C12H12, here it is C6H6. Okay. So let us talk about the hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons. In today's class we will be discussing about hydrocarbons, in that alkanes we will discuss. Today's class of interest is going to be alkanes. Alkanes is a very simple chapter, but you will be getting a very good number of questions based on this. And you just follow my class and you just take down whatever I am giving here. And also please, these notes you are going to get in that Telegram channel. Are you getting or not better? So let's talk about alkanes. Alkanes. So let's talk about a general introduction about alkanes. So alkanes, it is saturated hydrocarbon with CnH2n plus 2. Right? So what we are going to learn? These learning objectives: preparation, properties, isomerism, Newman projections, everything we are going to discuss in this particular alkanes chapter. So when I was discussing about isomerism, we did not discuss about conformational isomers. So in this we are going to discuss about that. Okay. So what is the nature of the bonding in the carbon? Carbon. What is the hybridization in the alkanes? Carbon का hybridization क्या होगा बेटा इशिता? हाँ कुणाल. Hi. What is the hybridization of carbon in alkane? Yes, it is sp3 hybridized. It is sp3 hybridized. And you just see carbon to carbon. So carbon to carbon, the bond length you are going to see 1.54 angstrom units. And carbon to hydrogen, if you see, it is going to be 1.12 angstrom units. As you can see, carbon to carbon single bond length is, double bond length is greater than carbon to carbon triple bond length. So to see the difference between the carbon to carbon length, it is very important. That's why I have given. So general preparation, it is completely saturated. This is saturated. Carbon is completely occupied with 4 single bonds. That is called saturated. Okay? So let us go with the general methods of preparation. So if you can open your book, you can get it all the things, but I am going to give the reactions in such a way that the reactions you never forget. Hydrogenation of unsaturated compound. From unsaturated compounds. Alkenes. This molecular formula is CnH2n. When hydrogen is added in the presence of catalyst, I am going to explain what is this catalyst now. You will be getting hydrogen being added like this, CnH2n plus 2. It is alkene, you got an alkane. So what is the catalyst that can be used? What is the catalyst that can be used? Quick. So you can use various catalysts. Okay, you can use palladium or you can use platinum. Right? You can use nickel. Right? You can use many TPH, triphenyl tin hydride. Triphenyl tin hydride. So any catalyst can be used. Triphenyl tin hydride, triphenyl tin hydride. Take a note of it. So this is not there actually. This is not there actually in the NCERT textbook. So I don't want to make a more focus on this. So you can see this. Platinum and palladium at room temperature reaction takes place. When you want to take a nickel, heating required. Simple method. If you use nickel, heating required. Okay. Now, if you use H2Ni, hydrogen in the presence of nickel, this reaction is called as Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. Are you getting or not? Many things I am giving you in a different way. Right, that's good. That's good. So, these reactions can be done by using alkyne, alkene, but from benzene you don't get it. And what is Raney's nickel? Raney's nickel is a processed nickel. It is a processed nickel catalyst. So it is alnico, aluminum, nickel, cobalt alloy is soaked in ethyl alcohol so that hydrogen gas is released and that is adsorbed on the surface of the nickel. So this is a nickel atom. On the surface of the nickel atom, carefully see, hydrogen is a small atom. Hydrogen molecules are adsorbed. So this Raney nickel is stored in ethyl alcohol and it is quite efficient catalyst. So whenever you want to hydrogenate some double bond, simply add Raney nickel. It is readily available in the process industries. Are you getting or not? So the term Raney's nickel is nothing but nickel catalyst beta. So in general, the reaction is written in such a way that platinum, hydrogen, palladium, hydrogen, okay, nickel, hydrogen, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, तीनों एक ही है. So you are adding hydrogen. Understand? You are adding hydrogen. So let's see how the reactions can proceed here. Any doubt here? Spongy nickel. Okay. Yes. Let's see. CH2 double bond CH2. When you add nickel and hydrogen, you are going to get CH3 and CH3. Ethene gives ethane. You can see CH triple bond CH. It is uncontrolled reaction beta. You will be getting CH3 and CH3. Got it? If you take anything, nickel and hydrogen, you are going to get this. Okay? Any doubt? Yes, yes, yes. Now, I just want to say, it is a hydrogenation is a syn addition. What is the meaning of syn addition? Addition to the same side of the double bond is called syn addition. So, what I mean to say here, if you use deuterium in the presence of nickel, deuterium is going to add on one side of the double bond like this. It could be either ways. So, this is what you call it as syn addition. It is an extra edge in the NEET examination beta. It is an extra edge. Because all surface catalyzed reactions are syn addition reactions, all addition reactions on the surface of the catalyst. So, surface of the catalyst, as surface of the catalyst increases, rate of reaction increases. This is also an important point. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Okay, Ishita, tell me. Richa, okay, clear, that's good. So you can also prepare it from, yes, you can also prepare it from alkyl halide. From alkyl halides. What is an alkyl halide? Alkyl group, halogen atom is there, this is called alkyl halide. This alkyl halide can be converted into organometallic, or this can be by reduction. By organometallic, you can go with the Wurtz reaction. See how the classification I just want to give, so that आपको पढ़ाई करने के भी अच्छा ही होगा, right? So you can use Fittig reaction, you can use Fittig reaction, and you can use Franklin reaction, and you can use Corey-House synthesis. You know, Corey-House synthesis is the best method of preparation of alkanes. Okay, and reduction you can reduce by using Grignard reagent, and you can use by reduction methods. I am going to show various reduction methods. Okay, so when we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different methods are there, in that what are the other methods? Okay, really, it is easy to memorize. Okay, if you want to see a book, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री बुक, रिएक्शन रट्टा मारो फिर लुक करो, रट्टा मारो सो जा फिर भूल जा, है ना बेटा. बट दिस थिंग्स प्लीज फॉलो माय मेथड्स, सो आपको भी भला होगा. सिंपल मेथड्स में देना चाहता हूं मैं, ठीक है बेटा. हाँ, सो ये वुर्त्ज रिएक्शन है क्या बेटा? सो उसमें कुछ मैकेनिज्म्स भी है, ये मैकेनिज्म भी आपको देना चाहता हूं. ओके, वुर्त्ज रिएक्शन. So I just want to give you a simple method. When alkyl halide react with sodium metal, dry ether, in the presence of dry ether as a solvent, R and R is going to join together and gives rise NaX. So this is an alkane. In this reaction, what are the noteworthy points we need to know? Okay, so let me give you an example here. CH3 CH2 Cl, ethyl chloride, है ना, ethyl chloride. When it is treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, राइट. हाँ, सो और एक इथाइल क्लोराइड मॉलिक्यूल यहां पकड़ना चाहता हूं मैं. एक मॉलिक्यूल इस तरफ है और एक मॉलिक्यूल इस तरफ है, दोनों मिलके आपका हो जाएगा, है ना. सो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द प्रोडक्ट CH3 CH2 and CH2 and CH3 plus NaCl is formed. Okay, very good. Now here this is ethyl chloride, and it is N-butane. It's a coupling reaction. When we go in the conversions, तो कार्बन एटम नंबर आप डबल करना चाहता हो, कपलिंग रिएक्शन इस्तेमाल करना है कि मैं बोला. सो वुर्त्ज रिएक्शन इज ए कपलिंग रिएक्शन. टू सिमिलर थिंग्स हैज टू जॉइन, एंड one important thing is methane cannot be prepared. Methane cannot be prepared because as a couple you have to join two carbon atoms. So methane में सिर्फ एक ही कार्बन है, इसलिए methane cannot be prepared. समझे? And here dry ether is used as a solvent. The ether should be dry. अगर ड्राई नहीं होगा तो उसमें आपको थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर होने का संभावना होता है. अगर मॉइस्चर होना तो मॉइस्चर मीन्स क्या है बेटा? ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अगर होगा तो ये सोडियम मेटल पकड़ के रिएक्शन एक्सावरेट जाएगा. So it is going to be a different fate of the reaction. So ether should be dry. समझ में आ रही क्या? Very good. Clear? Okay. Now reactivity. जहां पर अल्काइल आयोडाइड ज्यादा रिएक्टिव, उसमें अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड से फिर अल्काइल क्लोराइड है, एंड अल्काइल फ्लोराइड्स नहीं होगा. अल्काइल फ्लोराइड नहीं होगा because carbon to fluorine bond is strong, so that it cannot generate free radical. It follows the free radical mechanism. Ionic mechanism भी है, but it follows the free radical. Understand? Clear? And reactivity. Primary alkyl halide is more reactive in the Wurtz reaction. Secondary alkyl halide is more reactive in the Wurtz reaction, and tertiary alkyl halide जब टेरिशरी अल्काइल हैलाइड आएगा ना, ये रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. Tertiary alkyl halide undergo disproportionation, so it do not participate in Wurtz reaction beta. Okay, so I just want to strike this off. Clear? Any doubt beta? Ravinder? So mechanism बता दो मैं, चाहिए? Okay, so I just want to discuss और एक important चीज है उसमें, ईथेन मिथाइल क्लोराइड. हाँ ना रविंद्र रेड्डी, you used to produce ethane from methyl chloride. हाँ, it is correct. What you said is correct. ठीक है. Now alkane with even number of carbons only can be prepared. That's a great point. दिखाई दे रहा है राइटिंग. Alkane with even number of carbon atom only prepared by Wurtz reaction, not everything. You want to prepare odd number carbon alkanes? हाँ, नहीं होगा. Alkane with odd number carbons are not preferred in Wurtz reaction. You have to correct yourself. That's why I am writing this by using my own handwriting. If you read any textbook, you may mislead about these statements. अरे alkane with odd number carbon can be prepared, but it is not preferred to prepare. अगर होगा तो नहीं होगा ना. हाँ, क्यों? Thakur Avatar, hi. So could you tell me the reason why? Pranav Balaji, be regular beta. You are such a good student. Okay, be regular. I know you have kind of obstacles then when you attend my classes. So मेरा क्लास का और दूसरा जगह पे और क्लासेस ले रहे हो, दोनों का क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आई विल गिव यू ट्रिक्स एंड जेन्युइन रीजंस फॉर ये यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं, क्या उसका रीजन क्या हो सकता है. प्रॉपर रीजनिंग एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप ऑफ डिस्कशंस आर हैपनिंग इन द क्लास, है ना बेटा. ओके, गुड आफ्टरनून बेटा. हाँ, टाइमिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. यू कैन मेक इट डियर, यू कैन मेक इट. दिल से सोचो. ओके, विल पावर होता हो सकते हैं ना. हाँ, कम ऑन. सो वाई, लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, एक्सेलेंट एग्जांपल. CH3 CH2 Cl. what is this beta? What is this? ethyl chloride है ना. हाँ, and I just want to discuss और एक स्ट्रक्चर है. CH3Cl. now ये दोनों सोडियम मेटल एंड ड्राई ईथर. गो बैक. आपका बोला मैं ड्राई ईथर इस्तेमाल करने का बोला. सो ड्राई ईथर का जगह पे ईथर नाम भी लिखेंगे मैं एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस में. सो Me2, what is this? Methoxymethane. Ethoxyethane, dimethyl ether diethyl ether. Okay, this could be one example, this could be another example. THF. THF is also an example. tetrahydrofuran, it is a cyclic ether. इसका स्ट्रक्चर आएगा आपका हाँ, this is the structure of tetrahydrofuran. समझे? So when you see something is written on the arrow mark, you may feel this way, it is not taught in the syllabus, you didn't study. It is not like that, you studied. These are all ethers, है ना? क्या डॉट दे रहे हो सर भाई? Ether, it has oxygen, oxygen has lone pair of electrons. समझे बेटा? So N-heptane cannot be made good yield by Wurtz reaction, isn't it correct? Because a odd electron, odd carbon का है ना. So it is a chloroethane and chloromethane, ethyl chloride or methyl chloride. So आपका लग रहा है दोनों जोड़ी कर रहे हैं, हाँ कर देंगे. So that you are going to get CH3, CH2 and CH3. What is this name of the product? It's a propane. It's a propane. It's a propane. सर अभी बोल रहे हैं सर, alkane with odd number of carbons are not preferred in Wurtz reaction. ये odd number carbon का है ना? Why it is not preferred? That is my question. That is my question. There should be a logic. इससे साथ this is also going in coupling reaction, so that CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 मिला, N-butane मिला. इसके साथ this is also undergoing coupling reaction, CH3, CH3 मिला, ethane मिला. Now you are expecting only one product. You see the color code also. See the color code also. You'll understand. Got it? So when you see this is as a product. Mixture of products are formed. Mixture of alkanes are formed as a product. ये मिक्सचर में कैसे सेपरेट करूं बेटा? बहुत तकलीफ है. आल्केन मिक्सचर सेपरेट करना बहुत तकलीफ काम है. So as alkanes differ in as alkanes have close boiling point values, they are difficult to separate. It is time taking and cost effective. That's the reason why I don't prefer it. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Got it बेटा? So in NEET examination you have proper statement 1 questions, statement based questions और assertion and reasoning type questions बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आपको लग रहा है इक्वेशन रट्टा मारना, लेकिन assertion रीजनिंग स्टेटमेंट 1 स्टेटमेंट 2 क्वेश्चंस में ज्यादा ध्यान देना. ओके, छोटा चीज में घुमा घुमा के क्वेश्चंस पूछने का संभावना ज्यादा होता है बेटा. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? सो दिस रिएक्शन, दिस स्टेटमेंट्स एवरीबॉडी नोस इट. प्रॉपर रीजन आपको पता होना चाहिए. समझे? क्लियर? गॉट इट? सिर्फ ऊर्जा रिएक्शन के लिए इतना देर पूछ रहे हैं मैं. गॉट इट बेटा? हाँ. Any doubt? Please come on. Mamata Bansal, that's good, that's good, very good. Now going ahead, you can see Wurtz reaction, Fittig reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, Franklin reaction, ये तीनों चीज क्या है, हमारा पता है ये Wurtz reaction क्या है. ओके हाँ प्रणव बालाजी यहाँ पर देखो सिर्फ आपके लिए. सो अगर कुछ डाउट है तो पूछना बेटा. सो यू पे lakhs of rupees and sit in this class, sit some class, okay, you ask a doubt, they will give you a nice explanation. Very good. Now you are sitting in this free video classes and YouTube platform by Infinity Learn, and the same experience we are going to give you. Every student is precious for us. बालाजी सिर्फ आपके लिए, जो भी स्टूडेंट हैं दिस Wurtz रिएक्शन की वजह से एक डाउट होगा. सो अल्केन विथ इवन नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स प्रिपेयर्ड बाय Wurtz रिएक्शन, ये सही बात है बेटा. लेकिन अल्कीन अगर आप ऑड नंबर कार्बन एटम प्रिपेयर करना चाहता हो तो ये इतना प्रेफरेबल चीज नहीं है, प्रेफरेबल मेथड बिल्कुल नहीं है. क्योंकि अगर आप इवन नंबर ऑड नंबर वाला प्रिपेयर करना चाहता हो तो ये एग्जांपल की वजह से, सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट नॉट ओनली ऑड नंबर, इनके साथ इवन नंबर को भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, है ना. सो when you prepare, you are getting propane, butane, ethane as a mixture. ये मिक्सचर डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस इस्तेमाल करके सेपरेट करना है. डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस अगर इस्तेमाल करना चाहता हो तो दे शुड डिफर इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. ये दोनों का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में ज्यादा अंतर रहना चाहिए. बट इफ यू चेक द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ दिस, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ दिस, इन लोगों का वैल्यू ज्यादा बराबर होता है, थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ता है. सो डिस्टिलेशन में सेपरेट नहीं कर पाए. दैट इज द रीजन वाई वी डोंट प्रिफर ऑड नंबर चीजें. ये Wurtz रिएक्शन में प्रेफर करना मुश्किल है. अंडरस्टैंड प्रणव बालाजी? यस करेक्ट, परफेक्ट. For making higher alkanes also is not good, because ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेट्रोलियम केमिकल से higher alkane prepare कर सकते हैं. That's good. Okay, so let us see mechanism. तो free radical mechanism नहीं चाहिए. I think it is not required. If anybody request me, I will do it. As you demand, I will give it. एक मिनट बेटा. No problem. So we discussed what is Wurtz reaction. Alkyl halide, sodium in dry ether, you are going to get alkane. This is what you call it as Wurtz reaction, right beta? So like this you have one more reaction, Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction, if you use sodium metal, that is Wurtz reaction. If you use zinc metal, instead of sodium metal, zinc metal इस्तेमाल करो. That is what you call a Franklin reaction. Product same होगा, product same होगा. Got it? So only Wurtz-Fittig reaction भी फरहान आलम. So Fittig reaction बोलना चाहता हूं पहले. Fittig reaction, Correction in your spelling, Farasalam. Correction in your spelling, Fittig reaction. When halobenzene is treated in the presence of sodium in dry ether, you are going to see combination of two benzene rings. So this is what you call it as a biphenyl or diphenyl. This is called Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. अभी जो वुड्स रिएक्शन है ना, ये फिटिग रिएक्शन है ना, ये दोनों कंबाइन करके, दैट्स व्हाई चेंज द कलर कोटिंग आल्सो, राइट. वुड्स में क्या कर रहे हैं, फिटिग में क्या कर रहे हैं. फिटिग में ये वाला, वुड्स में ये वाला, they are reacted in the presence of sodium and dry ether. You are going to get alkyl benzene as a product. So many of the reactions that we discuss in grade 12 alkyl halide, haloarenes and haloalkanes, these are all reactions you will see. So you are getting a double benefit of these reactions and these reactions. When it comes to organic chemistry, 11th standard and 12th standard दोनों integrated है बेटा. Got my point? Clear? Benzene alkane, this is what you call alkyl benzene beta. Alkyl benzene. Right? Clear? Want to give any reaction? Any doubt? Ha, Pranav Balaji, alkyl benzene. Now, Ravindra Reddy, where are you? No doubt, okay. So, Franklin reaction, let's talk about the Corey-Howe synthesis. First of all, when you talk about Wurtz reaction, methane cannot be prepared, right? But odd number cannot be prepared, but here anything can be prepared. Okay, so Corey-Howe synthesis, Corey and House, they got Nobel Prize. They got Nobel Prize for these reactions. Corey-Howe synthesis, the best method for the preparation. Preparing alkane, any type of alkane, जो भी even number हो, odd number हो, branched है, linear हो, छोटा number वाला है, सबसे बड़ा वाला number, कोई भी, any alkane can be prepared. Okay, so I just want to say what is the basic methods in this. Let's say alkyl chloride is reacted with lithium, so that you are going to get alkyl lithium plus lithium chloride is formed. Alkyl lithium is a good base and good nucleophile. Okay, so this alkyl lithium is treated with copper chloride. cuprous chloride, so that you are going to get dialkyl lithium cuprate. So this is what you call it as dialkyl lithium cuprate. This is what you call it as a Gilman reagent. This is what you call it as Gilman reagent. This dialkyl lithium cuprate, everybody kept quiet in this class, not understanding or just want to know. Okay, dialkyl lithium cuprate. Okay, it is called as Gilman reagent. Vishal, Abhijit, hi. 2 bromopropane. My question is 2 bromopropane किस चीज का? So this dialkyl lithium cuprate is treated with R-Cl to gives rise R and R- lithium chloride, okay, and copper chloride. Okay, that's a separate matter. So that's a separate matter. I don't want to discuss about that. So what I mean to say, alkane is formed. Alkane is formed. इसमें एक थोड़ा स्मॉल ट्रिक है. ये ट्रिक क्या है? When this alkane is prepared, you use alkyl chloride पहले से, बाद में भी एक alkyl chloride इस्तेमाल किया. Okay, ये रिएक्शन कैन बी ए प्राइमरी alkyl halide हो सकता है, सेकेंडरी alkyl halide हो सकता है, टेरिशरी alkyl halide हो सकता है ना? In the last में you use substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, so you will be getting this SN2 SN1 in haloalkanes in grade 12. In this ये SN2 के वजह से सिर्फ ये वाला प्राइमरी alkyl halide होना जरूरी है. इफ नॉट ये सेकेंडरी alkyl होना होता तो चलेगा, लेकिन आप टेरिशरी alkyl halide इस्तेमाल करना चाहता हो नहीं है, मना है. इट कैन नॉट बी, क्योंकि ये रिएक्शन SN2 के. सो इन द नीट एग्जामिनेशन बेटा, सो दिस विल बी गिवन. ये चीज कहां से आ रहे, ये चीज कहां से आ रहे, आर कहां से आ रहे, आर डैश कहां से आ रहे, ये देखना पड़ता है बेटा. ओके, सो देर आर 2 alkyl halides. वन इज एनीथिंग, पहला वाला जो है आखिरी चीज है ना, टेरिशरी alkyl halide इस्तेमाल करना मना है. दैट इज द बेस्ट ट्रिक यू नीड टू नो फॉर सुरेश सर. Are you getting or not? Vikas beta. हाँ, you are unknown. Who is this unknown? Okay. So let's talk about, आगे बढ़ो, लिखना एक बार. Who is that unknown? Clear, very good. Next, from Grignard reagent, we discussed about from Grignard reagent, preparation of alkane from Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Somebody help me. मैं भूल गया. Grignard reagent तो होता है क्या? मैं भूल गया. Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. Very good, Pranav. When alkyl halide is treated with magnesium in dry ether, so what is going to happen? You are going to get RMgX. R is alkyl group, X is halogen. Okay, so the reactivity alkyl fluoride less reactive alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. So alkyl fluoride do not form Grignard reagent. Okay, so a Grignard reagent देख के आपको क्या पता है? R minus Mg plus, R minus Mg plus. जो R minus इसका जो बिहेवियर है ना, सही, इट्स ए गुड न्यूक्लियोफाइल and it is an excellent base. बेस का मतलब क्या? बेस का मतलब क्या? I know sodium hydroxide, I know potassium hydroxide, ये इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम है. ये बेस का मतलब जो भी स्पीशीज H प्लस अट्रैक्ट कर रहे तो H प्लस लेने का तैयार है, ये बेस बोलना है. अंडरस्टैंड? यस, NaOH. So R minus takes H plus, R minus takes H plus. So I just want to say R Mgx. Okay, it takes whoever gives H plus. Water can give H plus. H2O मतलब H plus and OH minus है ना. So ये चीज में H plus एंड R माइनस दोनों पकड़ के आप RH alkane होगा एंड MgOH होगा. Anything which can give H plus. Can you give me who can give H plus? Can you give me the list of the molecules? I have the list. I have that list. H2O can give rise H plus and OH minus. आपका जैसा है ना. Alcohol gives H plus RO minus CH3 COOH gives rise H plus CH3 COO minus. Arey, many things are giving na. Right beta? Are you all writing this in information? So valuable information beta. These sessions are not conducted for time pass. These sessions are conducted to bring the student to the higher level. That's why हमारा ऊपर भरोसा रखो. ओके, ये नीट स्टेप अप 2025 प्रोग्राम में एवरीबॉडी सब लोग मेहनत करके आपका अच्छे तरफ रैंक मिलने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आर यू विथ मी? आर यू विथ मी? थम्स अप दे, एक बार फायर इमोजी दे, जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ, आपका फिनॉल भी दे सकते हैं. H प्लस O माइनस. समझे? हाँ बेटा, हाँ 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 हाँ. और कुछ दे सकते हैं ना. अरे आपका तरफ से और एक H प्लस डोनर के बारे में बात करना है, मेरे को खुश की बात है. जल्दी जल्दी. अभिजीत, अभिजीत. NaCl do not give H plus beta. I'll give you a secret. किसी को मत बोलना. Terminal alkanes can give. Terminal alkanes are acidic. जहां alkane, जिस alkyne में C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C एंड ऑफ द कार्बन चेन में होगा, ये टर्मिनल अल्काइन बोलना पड़ता. So anything it is added, you will get a question. समझ में आ रही क्या? हाँ, yes. Take a snapshot of this जल्दी फटाफट. yes. एक क्वेश्चन डालो. रविंद्र रेड्डी, एक क्वेश्चन तैयार है आप देने का. That's good. Now, the product obtained when phenol is treated with methyl magnesium iodide is सब ऑप्शंस देख रहे हैं क्या? कुछ अंदाज है? I am looking at the students. What is your comments? Comments. ये ओके. अभिजीत 3. ओके. रविंदर, इशिता, बालाजी, रिचा. So I remember everybody's name. I remember your plus and minus also, है ना बेटा? So अच्छा करेंगे, अच्छा सोचा अच्छा होगा. ओके और कुछ आंसर है ना तो जल्दी जल्दी देना फटाफट. You want to say Vikas? A. Very good, nice. Let us see the product obtained when phenol is treated. So when the phenol is treated, okay, it is going to give you sodium phenoxide and H plus. Now methyl magnesium iodide, methyl magnesium iodide. So methyl magnesium iodide is a Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent has plus and minus. ये minus का plus चाहिए. That's the reason why you got CH4. And magnesium iodide goes there. Okay, magnesium iodide. So आपका प्रोडक्ट है क्या मिला? दिस इज हाउ नीट में आपका धमकी देता है. गॉट इट? मेरे को ऑप्शन बी मिला. मेरे को ऑप्शन बी. प्रणव, यू करेक्टेड योर सेल्फ. Ha 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 ha. Yes, that's good. You need not have to retract your answer. आप जो भी answer दे रहे हैं ना, that answer is sufficient to you guys. Okay? Any doubt? Next. So let's talk about from alkyl halides. You will be having a reduction. Okay? So let's see reduction of alkyl halides. Reduction of alkyl halides. So alkyl halide let us say it's alkyl chloride, it can undergo reduction. Reduction means any compound that can give hydrogen or nascent hydrogen, so that this electronegative element halogen is replaced with this hydrogen. So you are going to get alkane. Reduction कौन सा कर सकते हैं, कौन कौन कर सकते हैं? You can do carefully. You can see zinc metal in dilute HCl, so that a zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas is formed. Are you getting or not, children? So you study in a statistical way, you will understand. You study in such a way that study in a statistical way. So zinc in acetic acid, right? You can use many important. So sodium in ethyl alcohol, okay. You can use lithium aluminum hydride, you can use sodium borohydride. Whenever lithium aluminum hydride is used, use an acidic medium, and you can use sodium borohydride, use in a basic medium. You know better, this is the versatile reducing agent. This is your versatile reducing agent. This is your versatile reducing agent that you use in the organic chemistry. In 2013, one engineering entrance examination में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, which of the following is a versatile reducing agent? है ना बेटा? So lithium aluminum hydride और sodium borohydride का तो ना difference है. Okay? Can reduce, take care. Can reduce primary alkyl chloride, can reduce secondary alkyl chloride, okay. Tertiary alkyl chloride को नहीं कर सकते. That's we are going to discuss in grade 12, not right now, okay. So you can ignore this. It's a very important point, okay, very important point. Moving ahead, okay. Any doubt? Children, come with me. Yes, you can prepare. Clear. So from carboxylic acids, from alcohols, ROH, when alcohols are reduced, you can use alcohols reduced sodium and C2H5OH, or you can go for powerful reducing agent. I just want to use HI in red phosphorus. HI in red phosphorus. HI in red phosphorus is the powerful reducing agent used in the organic chemistry beta. Okay, so that you are going to get सारा के सारे जो भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, carbon is reduced to its highest reduced state. So when you see the carbon is in highest reduced state in alkane, carbon is in highest oxidation state in carboxylic acid. ख्याल में रखो. Okay, so we can say from carboxylic acids, yes, RCOOH, when you use HI in red phosphorus, okay, so that every carbon you are going to be like this. From aldehyde, direct reduction you can see RCHO, okay, HI in red phosphorus, you are going to get like this. These are all alkanes. From carbonyls you can go with Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Just I want to show you after this. You all noted this, children? You all noted this? Ha. Come on, yaar, you are simply listening and it is not a radio transmission, it is an interactive session. बच्चे बात करते हैं नहीं. Okay, Ravindra Reddy, I didn't see you last 5 minutes. Where are you? Come on. Risha, fine. Good. Nice. Okay. Okay. Now, let's talk about reduction of carbonyls. Reduction of carbonyl group. So, this is of two types. Let's see. R, C double bond O, R dash. So, carbonyl group means it could be ketone functional group or it could be aldehyde functional group. जो भी होगा that is called carbonyl group है. Right beta? Now, when it is treated with two methods, I just want to explain by two methods. Okay, zinc mercury amalgam in HCl followed by acid hydrolysis. Okay, and NH2 potassium hydroxide, okay, in the presence of basic hydrolysis. So if that is the case, this particular functional group is going to be reduced and you will be getting RCH2 R dash. Reduction का मतलब क्या? Removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen. It's a reduction. Okay, right? So you are going to get RCH2 and R dash. यहाँ पर भी alkane है, दोनों जगह पे alkane है. This is a carbonyl. आपका alkane मिलेगा, alkane मिलेगा बेटा, समझे? So जहाँ पर zinc mercury, this is an amalgam in the presence of HCl. This reaction you can say Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction, and this reaction you can say it is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction, जहाँ वो स्ट्रक्चर में एसिड सेंसिटिव फंक्शनल ग्रुप अगर रहने तो ये एसिड मीडियम में इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं ना, ये मना है, ये इस्तेमाल करो, एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो दैट टू मेथड्स आर देयर, to convert carbonyl to alkane. One is a Clemmensen reduction, another one is Wolff-Kishner reduction. ये दोनों का क्या फर्क पड़ता है? रिएजेंट फर्क पड़ता है. ये रिएजेंट एसिडिक मीडियम में चल रहा है, ये रिएजेंट अल्कलाइन मीडियम में चल रहे हैं. सो ये दोनों का अंतर यही है. सो यूसेज इज आल्सो फॉलोज द सेम. होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. क्लियर बेटा? एनी डाउट? मेक ए नोट ऑफ इट. मेक ए नोट ऑफ इट. Come on. Right. Next, from carboxylic acids और एक मेथड है. Right. From carboxylic acids, two methods are there. One is decarboxylation. The other one is Kolbe's electrolysis. Other one is reduction. रिडक्शन मेथड मैं आपको अब भी बता दिया. सो एक एटम है. रिडक्शन मेथड अभी एक एटम है क्योंकि ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड से देखो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड it is on reduction gives alkane. We completed. Am I right or not? Clear beta? Any doubt? Now you want to go with what you want me to explain? Kolbe's electrolysis or decarboxylation? आप बोलना, जल्दी बोलो, आपको इच्छा से. पहले क्या बोलना है? Kolbe electrolysis or decarboxylation? I am going to discuss both. First option is yours. किसका बोलना? जल्दी. I want to see the students in the chat box. That's it. जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ हाँ. Kolbe, okay, Ishita, Kolbe electrolysis. So let's talk about Kolbe electrolysis. Kolbe's electrolysis. Potassium salt or sodium salt of carboxylic acid aqueous solutions are electrolyzed. Say an example. Two molecules I just want to take are COOK. Potassium salt of carboxylic acid, potassium acetate, potassium succinate, like that. Okay. So दो molecule लेना चाहता हूं. If you are okay, I just want to write one more molecule ऐसे लिखना चाहता हूं, है ना? Now, it is electrolyzing in the presence of aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions means H plus OH minus, है कि ना? H plus OH minus on electrolysis. On electrolysis. ठीक है? हाँ हाँ हाँ. रविंद्र रेड्डी कहाँ गए थे? लास्ट 10 minutes I can't see you. मेरे को डर लग रहा है आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो चुके हैं क्या? ओके. सो मैं एक चीज है, ये ट्रिक बोलना चाहता हूं. देखो यहां पर ये K प्लस OH माइनस पकड़ के 2KOH बन गया. ओके. सो K OH बन गया. समझ में रहे क्या? समझ में रहे क्या? देखो, गॉट इट? Yes, CO2 is also released, beta. Did I ask you to stop? Don't stop. right? Now H plus पकड़ के हाइड्रोजन गैस बन गया, so that you can say this is hydrogen gas. This is formed at a cathode. This is formed at a cathode. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? That's good. That's good. Now you can see here COO minus COO minus पकड़ के अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बन गया, right? Now these two are joined करके मिलके you got alkane. You got alkane. So R and R alkane बन गया. So these two are formed at anode. So in the NEET examination you will be asked when question CH3 COOK potassium acetate aqueous solution on electrolysis, the product formed cathode and anode. Cathode and anode, okay? Anode में हमेशा this part मीथेन बन गया, so CH4 anode, CO2 anode and H2 cathode. Like that you need to focus on which is formed at the cathode and anode, ये पकड़ना जरूर है. Got it? Ishita, Ravindra Reddy, fine? Understood? Clear? अरे सिंपल ट्रिक्स दे रहे हैं नीट एग्जामिनेशन में. जो भी एग्जामिनेशन कॉम्पिटेटिव पैटर्न में आप लिखना चाहता हो तो है, मैं कहीं मैकेनिज्म दिया नहीं. आपको मैकेनिज्म चाहिए तो आप खुद पूछना है. समटाइम्स इफ यू डोंट आस्क आल्सो आई विल टेल, बिकॉज एज ए टीचर आई नो, मेरे को पता है ये मैकेनिज्म यहां पर इस्तेमाल करना है नहीं करना. यस, सब लोग ट्रिक याद रखना है ना. दैट्स गुड. लेट्स सी. Now let's talk about decarboxylation. We discussed it last Friday class, I think. Remember? ये decarboxylation. ये भी decarboxylation था, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक decarboxylation. रविंदर रेड्डी बोला, मैं भूल गया लेकिन रविंद्र रेड्डी याद रख लिया. ओके, सो ए बी डीकार्बोक्सिल, रिमूवल ऑफ अ कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप, रिमूवल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज कॉल्ड decarboxylation. D mean to say remove carboxylic group. Understand or not? So decarboxylation, a decarboxylation में you can see many reactions. You can say RCOOH when it is treated with sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide. So you are going to see removal of CO2, so that you are going to get R हाइड्रोजन पकड़ के आल्केन मिलेगा. सर मेरा टेक्स्ट बुक में रिएक्शन अलग दिया, सो दोनों एक ही है, दोनों एक ही है. क्योंकि सोडियम सॉल्ट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिल एसिड यू टेक, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट सोडियम कार्बोनेट एज अ प्रोडक्ट. ये दोनों का इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से रिएक्ट करके आपका सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड मिलेगा. सो इसका कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड का रोल क्या, ये मिक्सर का नाम क्या, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. नो कार्बन, रविंद्र रेड्डी कार्बन है हाँ उसमें. सो व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज दिस, यू टेल मी. ये मिक्सर का नाम क्या है, मिक्सर का नाम क्या, जल्दी, सोडा लाइम, सोडा लाइम, ठीक है. दिस सोडा लाइम is used so that if you have n number of carbon, alkane you are going to get n minus number of carbon. ये नीट एग्जामिनेशन में वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नीट एग्जामिनेशन में ये क्वेश्चन, सोडियम प्रोपायोनेट ऑन हीटिंग विथ soda lime, the product is A propane, B butane, C ethane, D methane. ऑप्शन जल्दी बोलो फटाफट, ऑप्शन जल्दी बोलो. प्रणव, वेरी गुड. रविंद्र रेड्डी, ईशिता. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी. सोडियम प्रोपायोनेट CH3 CH2 COONA. When you heat it with sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide, so you are going to see this is Na2CO3. ये जो हाइड्रोजन है ना, this is the hydrogen goes and join there, so that the product is going to be CH3 CH3. ईथेन नॉट प्रोपेन. एक नंबर कार्बन कम करना, एक नंबर कार्बन कम करना. सो दिस इज अ ट्रैप, एक्चुअली दिस इज अ ट्रैप. ये ट्रैप का जैसे क्वेश्चंस नीट में पूछा जाएगा आपको. क्लियर? हाँ, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आप डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन में जाना है तो आपका मस्तिष्क में दो चीज याद रखना, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. रविंद्र रेड्डी, करेक्ट. वेन एवर यू आर यूजिंग डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन में एक खतरनाक ट्रिक देना चाहता हूं. सो डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन, डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन रिएक्शन में एक पॉइंट सोडा लाइम यूज करना. सोडा लाइम यूज्ड. ये सोडा लाइम क्या? सोडा लाइम इज calcium oxide plus sodium hydroxide. So when you prepare for a competitive examination, there are certain points you have to recall. Okay. Now one more important point is descending conversion. Mean to say the product is alkane with one carbon atom less. That is called descending conversion. And rate of decarboxylation is directly proportional to acidic strength. जिसका एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है वो डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन जल्दी होगा. ओके. एंड वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, बीटा कीटो acids are easily decarboxylated. Even you don't need a soda lime for that. So I mean to say, here you can see ये कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप का वजह से ये वाला अल्फा कार्बन होगा. राइट बेटा? ये वाला बीटा कार्बन होगा. So beta keto carboxylic acids are easily decarboxylated. You need not have to use this soda lime, so that this is simply removed. As a result of this, you are getting a product like this. You may prepare alkane or other carbonyl group is called, not an issue. These are the 4 points. Definitely, if carboxylation, decarboxylation question comes in the NEET examination, from here only it will come. Understand better? Lemonade is different better. So we just coming to the technicality of this lime, soda lime. Okay, in the soda lime, sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide are used. The role of calcium oxide is dehydrating agent. In today's class, we are coming to the end of the session. In today's class, we discussed overall hydrocarbon introduction, and we prepared hydrocarbons, alkane preparation and various methods. In that, reduction, hydrogenation, Grignard synthesis, Cori-House synthesis and decarboxylation. So from this you will get a very good number of questions. You can practice from the practice sheets, and you will get these notes from the Infinity Telegram channel link beta. Okay, yes, they differ better. So tomorrow we will be discussing about chemical properties of alkanes, and we will start alkenes tomorrow. And get ready, Newman projections and conformation isomerism will also discuss it tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much. Please like this session and share it with your friends, and subscribe to NEET 2025 Step Up program. Thank you for मिलेंगे कल. Thank you. Bye bye.